This project is going to be a shit show. I'm going to be moving this desk over here. Probably going to have to cut like 2 feet off of it. I don't like the way that the printer is anymore. Initially, this was a good idea to have the AMS wall mounted up there. Now, it's just a pain in the butt because, I don't know, I want more workspace over here rather than a PC setup. Because I transfer all the files wirelessly anyways. This thing is going to go in the corner there. The router and all that stuff going to go up there. This setup is going to move over. I don't think I'm going to use this monitor setup because I'm going to wall mount this. Maybe we'll stick that on the wall as well, but my daughter doesn't really need 2 monitors. So let's start tearing all this apart. So far, I've torn down pretty much everything in the center as far as my monitor goes and my desk setup. Next, we're going to have to remove this. We're probably just going to get a level and draw a line all the way across here to see where and how we're going to mount it back up. We are going to be cutting it a little close on this closet door, but I might just put one desk all the way in the corner and then one desk all the way in the corner. Now I'm getting an idea of how the space is going to work, but I don't mind having a little spot in the middle because maybe we can just put this table or something in the middle to hold, you know, her books and stuff, or find like a small like 3-drawer, 4-drawer thing that we can have the same height as the desks. I've broken down the entire main setup on this big 8-foot desk. Computer's right there. As you can see, the wall looks haggard, man. I did measure everything over from the bracket before I moved this. These are like on from Walmart. They're like $10. 32-inch monitor. It's literally just at the edge of it. You really can't see it sitting in front of it. And everything is symmetrical. This canvas is the same distance from this wall shelf as this side of it, okay? And then in the middle, it's exactly 32 inches. Everything is mounted symmetrical. We'll see you guys when we tear down this entire side. I'm piling cables right here so y'all can't see them. Anyway, we got everything off the power bar. This is also like centered on the room, basically. We're going to put a desk here. We got the fiber line moved over here in the middle because that's where it's going to be going, in the middle somewhere. Maybe even like a little shelf or wall mount or what have you. So we're going to put the small desk in the corner. Still going to get some more stuff out of the way and go from there. The room is still a mess, but we have the big desk over here now. It's honestly not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It still needs to be shorter, or this closet needs to be gone. But I digress. We're going to have a huge work area for now until I figure out what to do with this situation. Anyway, small PC setup, pretty much good to go. Just got to hook up a lot of wires. Mine, I'm still having some issues on where I want to put camera and my live streamer Nexus, which probably going to be on this side because this has the most room, almost like I could put a second display here. But I'm going to stick with this plan right here and just, oh my god, almost died, and just have it like that. Obviously it looks a little janky right now. We'll get everything good to go. This thing will be wall mounted right there underneath that and will obviously be centered and it'll look a lot better. That's what we're dealing with so far. Lots of cable management. Until I know 100% that I'm going to like this and until I kind of paint this wall a little bit and fix some of the little holes all over the place, I'm going to keep it messy. Now we're starting to get an idea of what this is all supposed to look like, minus a few things. I have this box that I used to just keep my marble run on that I've 3D printed right here for the AC, but it works perfect to put underneath here for the routers and stuff for now. She's got her desk, I mean her stuff is done. Me, on the other hand, I gotta do some more stuff, like hang up my headphone hanger, this thing to mount my light and stuff to, and then my controller charger. And then we have this gigantic mess over here to figure out. This is the final room setup. Here's our PC workstation, 3D print area, which could possibly have like 2 P1s eventually, which would be cool because I'm not really digging this whole setup that much, but it's the only place it can stay for now. This is the setup for my daughter. She got the small PC that used to be right there. And I really just used it for like 3D printing and stuff like that and Bamboo Studio. And maybe if somebody comes over, wants the game, they don't have to use my setup, so I can still use it. This thing is perfectly capable. Still have all the stuff on the wall over here. And my setup's right here. The only thing that's kind of weird is the closet and the doors. But a project way down the road would be to remove the closet, build a little cabinet in here for some filament and some small PC parts and stuff like that to just have in here that I actually need. Most of the stuff in there I don't need in this room. I can put it out in the garage in the cabinets. This is the final room product after organizing. It's a little tight right here, but I think we're just gonna not cut this desk for now and leave it, because there's always a way to repurpose something. Just get another top or whatever, it's a little bit shorter. Obviously, still some organization needs to happen, but losing like 2 foot off that, it's a lot of space gone. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.